Thank you, Father. Father, please hold on. One more chair.
And I am Avinash Kumar from Technician Mechatronics, second D.
We together will take you to the proceedings. Look at the past with gratitude, live the present with passion, and embrace the future with hope. From a humble beginning in 1965, the Institute has grown leaps and bounds, and now stand tall and proud, equipped with latest innovation in technology, applied to teaching, learning, pedagogy, meeting the new expectation of the society from vocational education today. From the first course of machinist to the state-of-the-art Disha Robotics Lab, an e-mobility center of excellence, has equipped to meet the modern need of vocational education. Our generation of the best was not so easy. The journey is long way ahead, and without any further delay, I would request Father Rector, Salesians, dignitaries, and our principal to kindly step ahead as we unveil the Diamond Jubilee logo.
We hereby present the official logo for the Diamond Jubilee celebration of DBITI.
And we invite Father and a chief guest to press this button and the logo will get unveiled.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. To kindly present a gift of appreciation and a plaque. Father, please. Congratulations. And the gift for the rector. Miss Maria? Yes. Can we hear it for Piyush? Piyush, congratulations. Once again.
Food fast.
अच्छा, तो मैं समझ गया। पीयूष और उनकी टीम सभी गानों को मैच करने जा रहे हैं ताकि वो अपने गाने को जल्दी से खत्म कर सकें।
Oh, forget about the explanation. Let us go and enjoy the singing.
चल सही है, गाना सुनते हैं।
This message for you everyone. If you know this song, kindly join with us.
आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा जैसे वो पूरा चंद्रमा ओ तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा बाकी अंधेरा
ऐसे न मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा तुमको, मैं चुरा लूंगा तुमसे, दिल में छुपा लूंगा। ऐसे न मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा तुमको, मैं चुरा लूंगा तुमसे, दिल में छुपा लूंगा। इस जहां को एक दिन निकला दूंगा मैं, दीवाना चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम। ले लिया दिल, आए मेरा दिल, आए दिल लेकर मुझको ना मैं यूं इश्क जाहिर करूं, तू भी कभी बोल दे। जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, तू आजा।
And its region have different dance styles, the nature of their community. Dinesh sir and team for the elegantly choreographed
Sujan Pawar is a recipient of 3 certificates. He secured second rank in the trade of fitter. He also receives a certificate of merit for securing about 90% in his examination. He is also getting a certificate for 100% attendance. He works for Sharpline Automation Private Limited. Ashish Kamble secured first rank in the trade of fitter. He also receives a certificate of merit for securing about 90%. He is working for Integrated CAD/CAM Solutions Private Limited. Secured second rank in the trade of machinist. He is currently pursuing his diploma. Mayuresh Shinde. Shiftan Mustafa Sheikh secured. Congratulations, dear trainees. Thank you.